Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add additional hard disk on VMware virtual machine. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Look, in my VMware I have installed Windows 11 computer and here I have only one hard disk, 30 GB. Now I want to add an additional hard disk for this virtual machine. To add additional disk, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings, or you can right-click on your virtual machine name and click on Settings. Now, click on Add button here. The first option is hard disk. Select it and click on Next. Now you will find four options here. One is IDE. It's very old technology. And you can select SCSI or SATA or NVMe. NVMe is recommended in VMware. I have selected NVMe. Now click on Next. Now select Create a new virtual disk and then click Next. Now you have to specify the size of your virtual disk. I am taking 20 GB only. Okay, now you can select Store virtual disk as a single file or split virtual disk into multiple files. By default, multiple file is selected. As you wish, you can select a single file here. If you want, you can allocate all disk space now, so that you have to click here, or you can allocate disk space as per your use. Allocate disk space as per use is the ideal option. So now click on Next. You have to give the name of the virtual disk, but you cannot change the extension .vmdk. Just you can change only the name. I am changing the name to disk 4. Now click on Finish. Look, additional virtual hard disk NVMe 20 GB is added right now. Now click on OK. Look, the additional hard disk 2 NVMe 20 GB is added. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.